A very good morning to all of you present over here, respected dignitaries, esteemed speakers, industry leaders, investors, startup founders, innovators, faculty members, students, and dear participants. On behalf of ACIC CBIT, which is supported by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, Government of India, it is my profound privilege to welcome you all to this high-tech startup roadshow on sustainability and clean technologies, which is in support of the third Ecosystem Expo and Conference 2026. We are truly honored to host this important gathering here at the CBIT campus, a place that continuously nurtures innovation, entrepreneurship, and responsible leadership. Today's theme, from innovation to implementation, how clean tech startups can scale with industry, policy, and capital. It is not just for a discussion, it reflects the urgent need of our times. Across the world, we are facing challenges related to climate change, waste management, energy transition, water scarcity, and environmental sustainability. In this context, clean tech startups and grassroots innovators are not merely entrepreneurs, but they are solution providers for humanity's future. At ACIC CBIT, we used to conduct various capacity building programs, outreaches, fundraising events to support grassroots and rural innovators. So our mission has always been to bridge the gap between ideas and impact, between innovation and implementation, and between local solutions and global relevance. Through structured incubation, mentoring, funding support, prototyping support, industry connect, and policy facilitation, we strive to empower startups to scale sustainability and responsibly. This roadshow is a significant step in that direction by bringing together startups, incubation enablers, investors, industry experts, policymakers on one common platform. So basically we aim to strengthen the clean tech and waste tech ecosystem, enable meaningful industry collaborations, facilitate access to capital and markets, and promote Telangana and Hyderabad as leading hubs for sustainability-led innovation. Our partnership with HITEX for this roadshow and the upcoming Ecosystem Expo 2026 at HITEX reflects a shared commitment to create real opportunities for startups beyond exhibitions, beyond networking, and towards long-term partnership and deployment. I would like to place on record our sincere appreciation to the HITEX leadership, Mr. Srikant Daru, and team led by Mr. Praveen for their continuous support and collaboration in building this impactful initiative. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished speakers, panelists, investors, and mentors who have taken time from their busy schedule to guide and inspire our startup community today. Your experience and insight will play a pivotal role in shaping the journeys of many emerging innovators. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you and wish this Startup Roadshow a grand success. Thank you, and I wish you all a highly engaging and productive day ahead. Have a nice day.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.